Today I'm going to be cooking some mashed potatoes and some veggies as well on the side. So I decided to get the organic British potatoes from Waitrose. So let's get started. Now I'm about to prepare the vegetables that I was talking about earlier. This is the carrots, broccoli, green beans, and baby corn from Waitrose as well, I think. Yeah. This is how it looks like. Like I said, it has carrots, green beans, broccoli, and it looks like sweet corn here. I'm preparing some chicken wings as well. So I'm going to boil and then fry them a bit. Yeah, we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to be using the same technique that I used for my roast chicken. I'm going to wash them and then put them in the pot and boil until they look a bit fried and then take them out. Yeah. I am currently washing the chicken wings and drumsticks. Like I said before, I usually wash my chicken before I cook it, so I can remove anything that I feel like does not belong there. I'm going to do this twice because I want to make sure my chicken is really clean and thoroughly clean, I prefer it that way. Now that I'm satisfied, I'm going to start boiling the chicken. Now that I'm done with the washing, I've put my pot on the stove and I turned it on to 9 so that I can boil the chicken. As you can see, the potatoes are now ready and cooked. They're soft as well, so I decided to mash them. After that, I'm going to be putting some mayo on top of it. As you can see, I put 2 teaspoons of mayo on the potatoes, and then I'm going to be mixing the mayo into the potatoes. The next clip is of my steamed vegetables, which were ready for the rest of my dishes, but from my point of view, I think they turned out pretty well. They look delicious and hopefully they taste good as well. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my outcome of my dish, the final look of it. I can personally say it turned out pretty good.